Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. I'm sitting outside. It's very sunny but cold. The temperature is around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Why I'm sitting outside? I am sitting outside because I am at the car inspection center because I have to renew my registration, and Tanya is at home right now. And also we are having a dinner tonight with Chris and Zoe, so our friends are coming over for the dinner. So today is a busy day. Yes, I go back to work from Monday, so that's why I'm just trying to get everything done today. They just took my car for inspection, so it shouldn't take that long. And after I go back home, we are gonna clean the house today. And Nitish and Ashley are gonna be back tomorrow, so they will be picking up Asta tomorrow as well. And we are making some delicious food, so we're gonna show you what are we making for tonight's dinner. Inspection is done. I'm heading back home, and that's one less thing to worry about since my registration was going out in January. So we're all set to go home. So I have been home for a little while, and I've been cleaning the yard. I cleaned the garage completely. It's super clean, you guys. Let me show you guys. I cleaned up the garage. I organized the gym here. I organized the bins. We got these bins for holiday decor. So one is Halloween, Deepavali, Holi and everything, and then one is Christmas, which is of course empty. Things are outside. I arranged all of this stuff. This is all the baby stuff over here. These are our necessities over here, such as laundry detergent, towels, paper towels and stuff like that. And look at this. It looks nice. And I am blowing off the fall leaves. This has been a disaster. Let me show you guys. So this I should have taken before and after, but look at this. This all looks super clean. All the leaves are over there. I'm doing this side right now. So this is done. There are some left over here. So let's finish this. All right, we are all done. Tanya is just parking the car inside. She's not getting to drive a lot. Oh, she can't reach. She's not getting to drive a lot these days because she's waiting for her driver license renewal. So I told her to just like park the car inside. And I love how the garage looks, and that area looks good, and that all looks clean. It is super funny because Tanya cannot apply the brake.
In my setting.
Yeah, in her setting. She like sits all the way to the top and all the way to the front. Like, and then she has to like lift her leg to actually apply the brakes because the baby comes in the way. और कैसा लगा गाड़ी चला के आज? मजा आ गया?
So many days.
She's just happy with that. All right. So we are finally done with the cleaning and everything, and we just made lunch. So she really just made quick sandwiches. Which ones are these?
One is like onion tomato cheese sandwich with basil pesto, and the other one is with hummus, red pepper, onion, tomato, cheese sandwich. Just the base spread is different.
So we are gonna have sandwiches, and then she's gonna rest for a little while.
Yes.
And then we'll start cooking again. And then we are gonna show you what we are making for tonight's dinner.
Now? Shouldn't I go talk to Lily? Oh. Hey. Oh, hell.
So we are racing against time, and that's why you haven't seen us in a little while. And we just finished 2 of our recipes. Let me show you guys. So this is honey chili potato, and potatoes are nicely coated in rice flour, all-purpose flour, and whatnot. So this is done, and this is the chicken recipe that Tanya made. So these 2 are done, and now we have wok going over again. So what are you making now?
Fried rice.
Okay, she's making fried rice, and then I'm gonna make Szechuan noodles, and that's it. So those will be the things for dinner, and for the dessert we have already made vermicelli pudding. So that's in the fridge, cooling down, and that is it. I guess in next 30 minutes we are gonna finish these 2 recipes, and then we're gonna feed the dog, walk the dogs, and then I'm gonna groom myself a little bit, probably. So that's it. That's what's going on. We are done and ready and waiting. They are on their way. They are gonna be here. House looks beautiful with all the Christmas decor. Look at that. The food is already, let me show you guys that. The food is already here. A little light snack. And then the table is set over here, and of course 1 wine glass is missing. Our Christmas tree is over here on the window, and this is how it all looks. That's the outside. And then this is the corner where we have a little blue light decor. No. And that is it pretty much. So the house looks beautiful because of the Christmas, and especially when we lit fire, then it becomes extra special. And the dogs are upstairs. Actually, I don't know where they are, but they are upstairs. They might be sleeping in their beds. And we are gonna have some fun, enjoy before the baby is here.
Yep.
There's Astro. And so we are gonna have a little fun and see you guys in our next vlog. And until then, stay safe. Bye.